What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Today, I got something super cool for you. We got a Sonos 5.1 system. Actually, technically this is a 5.0, but you can make it a 5.1. What we are doing is a 65-inch TV up here over the fireplace with a Sonos Playbar tied into a couple Klipsch Pro Series in-ceiling speakers, which is a couple of my favorite series to go with, really good value for the money, and that's going back to a Sonos amp. And then shortly, as soon as we're done getting it set up, I'll show you how it all ties together, because what's really cool is that you can wirelessly connect that Playbar to these in-ceiling speakers and make it into a true surround sound configuration. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, so we just got the TV up on the wall, got the Playbar installed, looking good. Emmett, our installer here, just went in and turned off the TV speakers, which is key, and then we're sending audio, digital audio, optical out of the television into the soundbar. You can see it's looking really nice and sleek. We got the TV up here on a tilt mount, everything concealed up behind it. And then the in-ceiling speakers here, which are tied into a Sonos amp in the rack downstairs. Here at Dreamedia, it is the small details like making sure the TV is perfectly level. We do not leave the home until we are satisfied. You can see it was looking good before, but Emmett is making sure there's perfection. So we just went to play a demo before I started recording and wanted to check the audio formatting output, and you do want it to be in Dolby Digital 5.1. If you don't select the correct input, it's not going to output in surround sound. Just a little tip if you are hooking up an Apple TV. All right, let's play this demo.
My song.
There we go.
It's like I was seeing a ghost. Like every trigger I've ever pulled.
How'd he start you? Hunting birds, rabbit? I guess 19, 20 years old, the first time he ordered you to shoot a person. 25 years ago, he took my blood. He made you from me. He's been lying to you the whole time. He told you you were an orphan. And all the people in the world to come after me. Why would he send you? You made a choice to do this to me. The whole point of this thing was to give you all painkillers without his pain. I don't want to shoot you! Mind if I shoot you?
Has this ever happened to you before? Your own government trying to kill you?
As you guys could hear, this is a great solution at a very great price point. It's really hard to beat these Klipsch Pro Series with a Sonos amp and a Sonos Playbar. Great functionality, very user-friendly, and nice price point. I hope that you guys enjoyed that demo and found this video informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This project is out here in Colorado, which is a new market that we are servicing. So if you guys would need professional installation in the area, we'd be more than happy to help. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.